One of the biggest questions that new investors ask is how much can you make with dividend paying stocks? Is it even worth it to invest in these funds? And how much can you make? How many shares do you need to own to make a decent income from owning these funds? And so today I want to go over a few different monthly paying ETFs, stocks, and REITs and figure out how much you're going to need to make $1,000 a month in passive income by owning these funds. So something I really like about owning these monthly dividend paying funds is it kind of gives you that real estate feel where you're owning property and you're getting that monthly cash flow. But it's a little bit more simple and easy. You don't have to fix up property. You don't have to worry about getting renters in your property. You simply just purchase and invest into these funds and start making that income every single month. So this first one is one I talk about quite a bit on my channel, and it's one that I currently have shares in. It's called SPHD, and this is an ETF that tracks the S&P 500's top dividend paying companies. So as you can see, I'm getting about $4 a month by investing in SPHD, and I have around $1,300 in this fund, and it pays out every single month about 14 cents per share. So with this fund currently paying 14 cents per share, let's figure out how much I'm going to need to make $1,000 a month with SPHD. So at 14 cents per share, I'm going to need about 7,200 shares of SPHD to be paid out $1,000 a month. And SPHD's current price is around $44, so let's do the math here and figure out how much I'm going to need to make $1,000 a month. So it looks like about $315,000, which is quite a bit of money, quite a bit of capital, but if you're getting $1,000 a month in dividends, that's a pretty nice payout every month. So this next one is O Realty. This is another one that I currently have money in, and we're going to figure out how much it takes to make $1,000 a month owning O Realty. So I'm getting about $2.48 a month from O Realty's dividend payouts, and it's paying currently about 24 cents per share, and its current price as of right now is about $72.78. So at 24 cents per share, I'm going to need about 4,200 shares of O Realty to make $1,000 a month. So let's see how much that ends up being in total capital needed. So just over $300,000, which is a little bit less it takes to make $1,000 a month with SPHD. So this next one is pretty popular. It's JEPI or JEPI. This is another ETF, exchange traded fund that pays out every single month in dividends. So we're going to find out how much you're going to need, how many shares you'll need of JEPI to make that $1,000 a month in dividend income. So it looks like I'm getting about $4.46 paid out to me every single month at 49 cents per share paid out in dividends. And with that $4 a month, I have just under $600 invested into JEPI. So let's figure out how much it takes to make $1,000 a month. So with the dividend paying out at about 50 cents per share, you're going to need around 2,000 shares of JEPI to make that $1,000 a month. So with the share price being around $57 and needing 2,000 shares to make that $1,000 a month, with the math checking out, you're going to need about $115,000, which is a lot less than the other ones. So JEPI is looking like it's paying out the highest right now, so let's try one more AGNC investment. So AGNC is currently paying me about $9 a month. I have just under $1,000 invested, and that is 77 shares. So in order to make $1,000 a month with AGNC, let's figure out how many shares you're going to need. So with it paying 12 cents per share per month, you're going to need about 8,500 shares to make that 1,000 a month with AGNC. So let's do the math and figure out how much you're going to need, how many shares you'll need to own to make that $1,000 a month in AGNC. So with its current price being at about $12.21, times that by 8,500 shares, you're going to need about $102,000 invested in AGNC, which comes out to be the lowest amount needed to make that $1,000 a month compared to all the other ones I mentioned. So this hopefully wasn't discouraging, but more so encouraging you to get started by buying a few of these shares every month and adding more as time goes on. And of course, reinvesting those dividends by buying back more shares when you get those payouts to hopefully accumulate more and eventually get a decent amount paying every single month to where you're receiving that passive income without having to do much work at all. So I really hope you guys learned something from this video and got a better perspective on how much it takes to make passive income with these dividend paying funds, and I really hope to catch you next time. See ya.